Why?
Stop, my face is turning red.
Come get the morning folder. It felt like that.
You what?
Nothing. Don't be racist.
Mommy.
I think that's a bone.
Mommy.
It's not my bone.
Doesn't that look beautiful?
It does.
Well, you're gonna make me gag on camera.
You're gonna gag. I don't want to catch it on camera.
Nope. Why can't you do this?
You jumped right in. So I jumped right in with this camera.
Oh no. This is. Just stop. I'm trying to.
So you know what it is. I figured it wasn't a big deal. Like, it still comes on, but I thought also maybe a day away from the TV wouldn't be too bad.
Did you just record the bed?
It came off and came back on. Yeah, this way.
It still won't go.
Okay, so just calm down. See? All fixed. Because Mommy's the best. I know how to fix stuff.
Mommy.
I'm a handy woman. I look like crap.
You never look like you're one of the lucky people.
You just love me, so I always look beautiful to you.
Yeah, well, there was a time when I didn't. I'm pretty sure I was still checking you out.
Hi, Destiny. Stop it.
Well,
Good. Feels funny. Chicken. I'm gonna check the meat. You smell it. So beautiful. I have a thing. You know what? Almost 120 it looks like.
what do you mean, the horse?
It's just chilling on the bench.
Oh, I don't know why that horse is there. I noticed that. Yeah. I don't know. Chilling.
You have to wait. Wait.
Here she is.
Okay. See?
She's like, oh my god, look at my legs, and I've got toes. Watch her. She's gonna wiggle them. You got some cute feet.
Whatever.
You do. What? Stop it.
You mean Bluetooth?
No.
Back and forth Bluetooth?
A connector for my phone so I could play the songs louder on the. Okay.
The aux cord?
Yep. I
Before
didn't
there
know.
was Bluetooth?
Yep. Okay. This thing's Bluetooth.
What?
This.
Wait, really?
What's it do?
It plays music. It
I didn't
connects,
know that.
it connects next to my phone. Also, Christmas present.
quiet when I'm Knocky.
Wait, what? Is that seriously your car sound?
Kinda. Come on, come on, come on.
Alright, let me see.
I'm filming the car, not you.
Alright, fine. Oh, I forgot to make the green beans. It won't take long. I'll just do it. Okay. How she feels right now is how my inner child feels.
Oh, it's cool.
No,
Why?
because it's Christmassy. Excuse me, love.
Your turn.
What'd she eat for lunch today?
Are you sure?
I got a big fat tummy.
Don't make fun of my tiny taters. Here, Addy. Oh, hey.
I'm good.
I thought the video was pretty much over, and then Erika says, "I'm hungry." She said it just like that. And now we're making cupcakes.
No, I said I want a snack.
That's not what she said.
That's what I said.
I'm hungry. Get some fat. So we found a box of cake mix and some pineapples and some cream cheese and some what's that sugar?
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. So now we're having pineapple upside down cupcakes with homemade icing. Sounds crazy. What?
Who wants to see this? Just
Look at my big muffins.
I'm not, but come look how big they are.
Well, I don't understand why that's funny. Okay.
Why are you laughing then?
Why? I mean, I don't understand. I'm laughing at you. I guess I just don't. I'm amused that you're amused. That's all. Like, I don't get it. It's a little runny.
Yeah. It'll be alright.
It will be alright.
It's gonna taste good. That's all we're all.
Well, we'll just have to try again. Me.
Oh, shucks.
Yeah,
Well, come on.
I'm still watching Mommy's vlog.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm busy. Hey, guess what? Hot chicken, Crystal.
Cool.
And he wrapped him in tape. Is that rude? And the...
Is it good?
Is it that icing? No, Cupcakes.
Yes.
And the icing was shaving cream.
That's awful. Not even
She took a
toothpaste?
huge bite
I'm sure.
and then went.
Rude.
So every time I make something and it looks kind of funky, she
Kinda
goes, "Is this
toothpaste?
icing?"
Wow.
We're here to have cupcakes.